Good evening, ladies and gents. This is the L&JShaveCrave. You know who it is, Shui J coming at you. Today's going to be a very, very different shave for me, at least, yeah, it is, because I've never tried this before. We're going to be doing a hot lather shave with the Dreamscape Scuttle by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and I believe the gentleman's name is Douglas Smythe. He's the creator of the Dreamscape Scuttle. It's a lot to save. Gotta let the water go down real quick. Blooper. Okay, now I just kind of went for it by just putting the scuttle together and everything, you know, just because I don't really know exactly how to do it. That's my little makeshift chingazo right there to hold my mirror. But we went above and beyond with it. We're using this, which is a, what is this thing?
Electric kettle.
An electric kettle. So as you can see, this thing is hot and it burns. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but yeah, it's very, very hot. This is the kind of lather that it creates if you kind of let it sit. I was doing some practice runs with it because, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing with it. I'm still trying to figure it out, but you know what? I think I got it, but it's really hot, so let me see. I need to... No, I think it's cool. Yeah, I think I can grab it now. So what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of water to hydrate again, but it's warm because I'm not trying to make the bristles like burning hot. We don't need that. But as you can see, immediately once you begin to stir the lather, I mean, you got like foam, but it may look like foam here, but on your face, it's a different game, dude. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but we're gonna get to this real quick. So I'm gonna dip the evil cube right here, if you guys can see that, for the pre-shave. Because I mean, last time I didn't use pre-shave, I paid for it, so that's not about to happen again. That's my son in the background with his YouTubes. And as far as for the razor that we're using today, we're using the Merkur Progress, or Merkur. I don't know, I'm not German. I'm gonna try anyways though. Okay, so there, evil cube. Put that back down right here. Let's agitate the solution to get it going. Okay. Now, right out the gate. Oh, this is the shirt that I love wearing. You guys seen that? Lucy's cousin, who shall not be named, modified this right here to say L&JShaveCrave, and that's the little YouTube sign. Thank you. You know who you are. Oh, wow, they're not kidding. It is, it's warm. It's hot. I guess it's hot. But yeah, wow. I mean, it looks like foam here, but on my face, it's lathered, you know? Look at that. Yeah, this is a different kind of shave, ladies and gents. It's a lot more comfortable. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is insane. So we're gonna be using the Merkur Progress on setting. Where is it? 5, right there. Okay, let's go for it. This is the single pass shaver, and I proved that last time in Texas. Yeah. And I'm using hot water here in a little plastic bowl to get the lather out quicker. Still that kind of shaver, man. Look at that. That's just my first pass, and that's extreme. Try not to say too much because sometimes we just fast forward through this part, but we'll see. Wow. Now, for some wet shavers, this might be a little too much things to do, but personally, I like wet shaving a lot, and how can I say it? I don't mind taking the time in the night or the day to do it properly in the way that I like it, you know? But this is my first time ever using a scuttle, so it might be a forever thing. Because I like how it lathers. It's insane. Wow. Now, as you guys can see from the first pass on setting 5, the Merkur Progress really like assassinates the whiskers. And the feedback's incredible. And I know I didn't mention something, and that's the soap and splash that I'm using. That'll be the Zingari, the Master. This is a lady-owned company, 110%. And I give her mad props because this one, God, it's awesome. It's dark and spicy. Barbershop scent, just like it says it here. It's dark and spicy, and it has this really nice kick to it, like I don't want to say chocolate, I guess more like a cinnamon. Like even you kind of want to eat it, but don't eat the soap. I'm just saying, it's that good. Yeah, don't do that. And thank you, Gareth, at the Shave Supply. We got you right here. He provided me with Zingari the Master. And I didn't know it was a lady-owned company until I did a little research. My problem area is now officially here and here. I'm going to prove it to you guys right now. A single pass is all you need with the Merkur. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm going to wash the face and I'll be right back. We're going to go for the second pass. Because as you can see, the lather's hot, and I'm talking about hot. And I just can't pass this up. And there's still so much soap available. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. And yes, we're using the Kraken shave brush right there. Thank you, Elia. Dude, it's just the perfect mixture. A Scuttle, the Kraken, Lord, it's bomb. Look at this. I rehydrated the soap a little bit. Whoa, look at that. What do you think of that, babe?
It looks great.
I mean, if I would have known about hot, like, lather with the Scuttle a long time ago, I would have done it already. But I didn't know until I bought the Dreamscape from Phoenix Arts and Accoutrements. And I've had this here for a while. Like maybe a month I've had it. I got it when it restocked. I think we're good. I'm not trying to cut myself or anything. But look at that lather, man. Look at that. And then look at the brush and everything. This is what I'm talking about. And it doesn't leave anything in the bowl either. It's all in here. But it's hot. This thing is hot, hot. Wash my hands a little bit because I got that soap everywhere. So let's do a quick speed pass without talking on this one. Right against the grain. And I do have pimples, if you guys can already see that. Oh, the lather is amazing. Zingari Man is seriously one of my favorite go-to soaps. I have a Zingari the Man. Oh no, the Gent, not the Man. It's called the Gent. That's one of my favorites too. Lucy's not so fond of that one, but she likes this one. You know, I mean, I'm looking at her right now. She's the one holding the camera. Lord Jesus, that's what I'm talking about. The residual slickness is there, so you don't really have to reapply unless you want to. And I am using a Shaverboy blade, as it is one of my favorites. Right there, my favorite blade. And there's no nicks, and I'm done. No nicks? Can you confirm that, babe? Oh no.
No.
No nicks?
Nothing.
See, it's the blade choice, man. So I'm gonna wash this real quick and keep you guys on camera while I quickly do the wash the face. It's been what? 2 weeks since I shaved at least?
Something like that.
About 10 days. So I've had 10 days worth of growth. I mean, there's other gentlemen out there that shave every 24 hours or every 48 hours. Lancaster Razorworks. Thank you, bro. Oh, I love this thing. Right now with a warm, no, I say a hot lather shave. This is the best thing you can add to it. Oh, where am I at? Okay. I got some in the ears too. Okay. Damn. No, Dad, check it. What do you think?
No, you're good.
I'm good? Okay, so now we're gonna put on the Zingari Man recovery
You
splat.
missed a single little, like literally one hair.
Go ahead. One hair?
There.
Well, I heard it too.
Yeah, it was literally one hair.
Okay. This is the recovery splash by Zingari Man, and it's the master. So we're gonna be applying this right now on quickness. Don't want to hold you guys up too long. It looks like milk. I'm gonna say it's skin food. I mean, I know it's not Ariane Evans, but oh, dude, smell that. Oh, it's everywhere.
Oh my god. You splashed it everywhere.
It's everywhere. Let's see. Sorry. My bad. I got excited. Oh, shit. Excuse my language. I mean, this is still an adult channel. Sorry, kids. Oh, shit. Babe, what do you think?
Did it burn?
Not at all. Can you smell it? Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good. Your skin looks good.
Well, that concludes the shave. Thank you, babe, for filming. This has been the L&JShaveCrave. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, dislike if you want. It's up to you. And I know. What else? Oh, this has been Shui J. and Lucy in the background. Jolene, thank you, babe. And you guys will catch me again on the next one. Peace out.
Bye.